So guys, in this video I have this laptop and it's a touch screen, but we barely can do anything because the screen is just touching itself, as you can see. So I have an external mouse hooked up. I have an external mouse hooked up to the device, and I am trying my best to uninstall the touchscreen driver. So this is what we're going to be doing here. We're going to uninstall the touchscreen driver. It's really giving us an issue here because the touchscreen is malfunctioning a lot. It's giving us a hard time, but we're gonna get this done. There should be a shorter way to disable it. So we're going to uninstall the touchscreen and all of our problem is fixed. As simple as that. If for some reason it install automatically, because they can install back automatically, you want to disable it this time. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to disable the touch screen. So the touch screen is now disabled and it should not be a problem. All of our problem is fixed, and I know that some laptop would have a shortcut to disable it, whether Fn and F7. As you can see, it usually be one of those keys, but guys, we disabled it and it's to prevent it from updating again, and we should be good, guys. You go to device manager, you can search for it. If it is giving you a problem depending on the Windows in which you're using, you can go to the system properties and you can find device manager here, right? Another way how to find device manager is by going to, you can go to settings. Let's see, you can go to settings here, control panel, and then you go to hardware, and then you can see that we have device manager there, or if you can type it in, but because of the touchscreen issue giving us a problem, it's very difficult. So I hope that this one was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.